Hello and welcome to Toolbase tutorials. Today I want to show you how you can update your ATMS core software by yourself. Since we changed our software in 2020 from ATMS NG to ATMS core, it is possible to do the software updates by yourself. You don't need our support technicians anymore like it was necessary during the use of ATMS NG. Today I will show you where you can find those updates, what is important to do before updating, and how the update is done. First of all, it is important that you stop the software running. You can do so with the combination Alt function 4, and then software is stopped. The updates you can find on our homepage www.toolbase.de, changing the language to English, and then you will find there a menu with software and service, and here you can find the downloads menu. After loading the site, you see a login button, and now it is important to know whether you have already registered or not. If you have already registered on our software for update information, you can here type in username and password. If you have not done so by now, you can request access to data now. Let me show you. For the access key, please type in your name, your company, and your email address, and then request this information. You will receive your login data within a few days. I have already done so, so I can go directly to the login button. I type in my data. Then log in. And now I'm able to download the latest version. You can always find the latest version here. You can read the release notes if you're interested on what is new, what was changed, which bugs have been fixed. And of course, you have an archive of the releases we already have done earlier. So, available is the last version. I will start the download. It will take you a few minutes. It's approximately 250 megabytes file, so would take you a few minutes. When download is finished, we can leave this page and we will change to Explorer. Here, ATMS core update, and here I will copy the file. Before starting the update, I first want to make a backup, just for security matters. So I change to ATMS core, Backups, Sicherung, and will there run once the software. The backup was successful, so I can close. I will go back to the folder backup and watch out for the backup. This was the backup we just made. I will rename this backup just to find it later on. So let me rename it to backup before update. Just for security matters, if something does not work, we can go back to the status we had before updating the system. So now back to ATMS core installation software, update. We find the zip file we have copied to this. So inside here you can find some installation instructions, the terms of condition, and the update file. I double click it, I say extract, I do the extraction. Now I start the update. I have to agree to license terms and conditions, and afterwards the update process can be started. Now the program files and, if necessary, the database will be brought to the latest version automatically. The update process will last approximately 2 to 3 minutes and can differ from update to update. The green progress bar informs me about the actual status of the setup progress. When update is finished, we can start once again the software. And we can now see that we have updated our system to the new version of ATMS core software. Thank you for listening, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.